What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. So today the question is, if all species of animals were extinct, what would happen? So my answer is, the first things, many plants would also go extinct, um, because because many plants depend on animals, you know, primarily insects for pollination and sexual reproductions. So if the insects that pollinate went extinct, most flowering plants would be unable to reproduce and would go extinct. Secondly, we will have no meat to eat. As you know that we use a lot of animals' flesh to eat, and it brings us a lot of power, energy to do everything we want. But now, all the species of animals will go extinct. We will have to eat vegetable instead of it. And if we could produce meat by technology, the price would be so high. So not everyone can afford to buy meat, and it would be a hard life for people, for humans. So that's my opinion about this question. Thanks for listening.